So we need to determine the value of the magnitude of the vector 3a minus 2b plus 4c, where a vector, b vector and c vector are given to us. Okay, let us begin. So first let's note down the three vectors. So here we have the vector a given by I cap plus j cap minus 4k cap. Then we have the vector b. Vector b is given by negative 2 I cap plus 4 j cap minus 3k cap. And then we have the vector c. Vector c given by I cap plus 2 j cap minus k cap. Now using this vector, we will find out the value of 3 times the vector a minus 2 times the vector b plus 4 times the vector c. That means we need to find out 3 times I cap plus j cap minus 4k cap minus 2 times the vector negative 2 I cap plus 4 j cap minus 3k cap added to 4 times the vector I cap plus 2j cap minus k cap. Okay, now we have a scalar 3 multiplied to I cap plus j cap minus 4k cap. What we'll do, we'll multiply 3 with each of the coefficients of I cap, j cap and k cap. So we get 3 times I cap plus 3 times j cap minus 12k cap. Then we have negative 2 multiplied to the vector b. So we'll multiply the scalar negative 2 with each of the components of I cap, j cap and k cap. So we get positive 4 I cap. Then we have negative 8 j cap and then positive 6 k cap added to 4 times I cap plus 8 j cap minus 4 k cap. Now let us combine all the like terms. So we have 3 I cap plus 4 I cap. So that's 7 I cap. 7 I cap plus 4 I cap will be 11. So we have 11 I cap. Then we have negative 8 j cap and positive 8 j cap cancelling out. We're left with positive 3 j cap. Next we have negative 12 k cap and negative 4 k cap. So that's negative 16 k cap. And to it we are adding positive 6 k cap. So we're going to be left with negative 10 k cap. So we have now expressed the vector 3a vector minus 2b vector plus 4c vector in terms of the unit vectors I cap, j cap and k cap. So let's find out the magnitude of 3a vector minus 2b vector plus 4c vector. All we have to do is take the square root. Underneath the square root, we're going to take the sum of squares. We'll start with the coefficient of I cap, that's 11. We're going to square this value. Add it to coefficient of j cap, so that's 3. Square this value and add it to square of the coefficient of k cap, so that's negative 10 squared. Now let's compute this value. This comes out to be equals to the square root of 230. So we have obtained the value of the magnitude of the given vector 3a minus 2b vector plus 4c vector.